These are conventional prosthetic arms. Not only are they considerable challenges to use, but they're also heavy, generic, and require more than a little decoration to match their owner. As if that were not enough, arms like these can cost between $30,000 and $100,000 and can take months to make. A growing child like Momo will need 4 of them over her lifetime.
I was 14 and I was just fascinated with robotics. I had taken a robotic arm I built in my bedroom to the science fair, and I met this little girl who wore a traditional prosthetic. And I realized that my $200 homemade arm was better than her $80,000 prosthetic. That's when I knew I had something that could really make a difference. What if she had a device that actually matched her body? The right size, weight, and color. Fingers that work, that provide haptic feedback so there's a real sense of touch. Skin that's tough and durable, but with a texture that's natural. What if she could actually paint her nails? What if she had a prosthetic designed just for her, inspired not by mass manufacturing techniques, but by the individual? And what if 20 people could get one for the same cost as a traditional prosthetic? I've been refining the design now for 7 years. I'm able to make an exact fit because I send the amputee a 3D scanner. Once we have a scan of both of their arms, I'm able to model it in software to make a perfect mirror copy down to the skin color and dimensions. Hundreds of hours of materials research and testing, 3D printing the parts and surfaces. I implement AI in the design to improve the engineering and automate the process. Neural networks in the arm are constantly learning, and that helps develop a human-like capacity for movement. I've had a tremendous amount of support and help over the last couple of years. From friends offering their 3D printers before I could afford my own, from engineers at Microsoft, and people contributing their own time. But up to this point, it's been limited to what I can do on my own time and in my garage. I think it's time for that to change. There's always room for improvement, and I will continue to refine the engineering and software, but I'm ready to take it to the next level. Helping one little girl is amazing, but the potential here is so much more. This is bigger than just me. By adding a few key staff members and equipment to scale physical production and commercializing our scalable creation model, we can test with more amputees and change the lives of many more just like Momo. Amputees tell me that it can take twice as long to do just the ordinary stuff. Opening cans, tying your shoes. If I can give that time back to a kid to do more of what they love, even if it's just an hour a day, that adds up to 1,000 extra days across a lifetime. That's 2 billion extra days across the world, and all for about 5% of the price. For that, those thousands of hours in the workshop will be way more than worth it. Investing in a limited tomorrow is so much more than investing in the next generation of robotics, or materials technology, or AI, or even human-machine interfaces. It's an investment in millions of people just like Momo, who seize the day, every day, with both hands.
The future of prosthetics is within all our reach. Invest today in Easton, in a limited tomorrow, in Momo, and in prosthetics as tenacious as the people who wear them.
Did you know your toothbrush misses almost half your tooth surfaces? Most of it is between your teeth. So we're told to floss. But who likes flossing? Anyone? That's what I thought. And I don't blame you. It's awkward, it's time-consuming, and here's the real kicker. It's not even the most effective way to clean between your teeth, according to a recent Associated Press report. There has to be a better way. Until now, water flossers have been one of the only players in the game. They're tedious, messy, and more often than not end up stuffed under a cabinet somewhere. Tooth Shower is next-level water flossing and so much more. It's a complete oral hygiene experience from the comfort of your shower. Simply attach it to your shower wall and hook it up to the water source. Tooth Shower uses water pressure so no annoying plugs or batteries are needed. It's got 3 different attachments for a triple thread approach to oral care. First, there's the dual-headed toothbrush, which hits the front, back, and chewing sides of your teeth for comprehensive surface coverage. Then there's the irrigating tip. It reaches where the toothbrush can't. It's like a water flosser, only it's in the shower, so it's no mess, no fuss. Because it's in the shower, you'll never run out of water, and you won't have to sacrifice any precious counter space. And let's not forget about the revolutionary gum massager. Irrigating and stimulating blood flow in your gums, this is a huge part of gum disease prevention. And in less than 10 seconds, you can flush out everything between all your teeth while massaging your gums. For the first time ever, you'll actually enjoy cleaning your teeth. With each attachment, you can adjust the water pressure and temperature to your comfort level, and use with your choice of water, mouthwash, or tooth whitener. When you're ready to switch attachments, just remove and swap. Worried about getting water everywhere? Well, you're in the shower, so it doesn't matter. And with multiple attachments, the whole family can use tooth shower, which means better oral hygiene for everyone. That means a lot fewer expensive and painful dental procedures and fewer instances of gum disease. You probably won't be surprised to learn it was created by a dental hygienist. Lisa's been deep in the tooth world for over 25 years, and she realized that there wasn't a single, easy, convenient way for her patients to effectively clean their teeth. So she decided to design one herself. No power source, no mess, and because it's in the shower, tooth shower is easy to integrate into your routine, becoming as second nature as washing your hair or face. Lisa and her team have been hard at work perfecting tooth shower's design and prototyping for over 2 years. Now they just need your help getting tooth shower to the masses. With the funds raised here, they'll be able to place a bulk first order to get these made and bring tooth shower to market for a whole new approach to oral hygiene. Tooth shower. The future of oral hygiene is in the shower. Back our campaign today.
Introducing the Mark II by Mycroft. Mycroft will wake you up.
Hey Mycroft, play my morning jams.
Playing your morning jams.
Or do simple tasks like tell you what time it is.
Hey Mycroft, what time is it?
3:15 p.m.
And all the things you would expect from a voice assistant. Things like weather,
It's 78 degrees and sunny.
calendar,
You have a 10 a.m. team meeting.
and conversions.
There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
Hey computer, remind me to get my winter clothes out of storage.
Other voice assistants can use your conversations to sell your data and send you ads. Mycroft never sells your data or sends you ads. The new screen is great for features like setting multiple timers.
Hey Mycroft, can you set another timer for 10 minutes?
Second timer started.
Nailed it.
It can have a friendly face. Or customize widgets. Choose your wake-up word. Hey Mycroft.
Hey Trinity.
Hey Indigo. Hey Victoria.
And your voice.
Hello, my name is Trinity.
Hello, my name is Mycroft.
And you can be hooked up to start multiple systems in your home with a single command.
Hey Mycroft, it's game time.
Hey, but it doesn't work with this?
He can help with that. Our open source community is expanding the capability of the Mark II, supporting things like Roku and other devices. Mycroft. Private, custom, open.
We're looking to expand the community and work with them to build software that allows you to voice enable anything. Software that's customizable and lets you rename the assistant and change its personality and appearance to fit you. The Mark II uses an advanced microphone array so it can hear at long distances even when music is playing. We've also added a screen so you can see things like calendar entries, timers, even security camera feeds. To bring the Mark II to life, we need your help. We need to invest in tooling, optimize our design for manufacturing, and continue to improve the software. That's why we're asking for your support. We need you to help us bring an open, transparent, privacy-minded, intelligent personal assistant to life.
You can begin helping us now by going to voice.mycroft.ai and donating your voice, installing Mycroft on your Raspberry Pi, or backing our Indiegogo today.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें। इसके अलावा शेयर कीजिएगा अपने सभी दोस्तों और फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ